Are you ready to revolutionize your trading experience? Introducing the Boom and Crash auto trading robot, your ultimate tool for mastering the markets. Hello, traders. Today, we're diving into the world of automated trading with a focus on a game-changing tool, the Boom and Crash auto trading robot. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this robot is designed to help you navigate the volatile markets with ease and precision. Leveraging cutting-edge technology to analyze market trends and execute trades in real time. Designed for both beginners and experts, making it easy to set up and start trading immediately. Tailor the robot's parameters to match your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Designed for both beginners and experts, making it easy to set up and start trading immediately. Tailor the robot's parameters to match your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Getting started is simple. Just follow these steps. Sign up. Create your account and download the robot. Configure. Set your trading parameters and preferences. Activate. Turn on the robot and watch it work its magic. Join our Telegram group and see all results of Boom and Crash auto trading robot.